Imagine waking up every day with the confidence to attract anyone you desire. Today, we're diving into the heart-touching, inspiring journey of how you can make anyone attracted to you just by being your authentic self. Meet Alex. He's always felt like he blended into the background, unnoticed and unappreciated. But little did he know, the power to captivate others was already within him. Alex often wondered why he couldn't connect with others the way some people seem to do effortlessly. He felt invisible, his voice drowned out by the noise of more confident personalities. One day, Alex decided to take control of his destiny. He began to research, to learn, and most importantly, to believe in himself. He discovered that attraction is not just about looks or charm, but about the energy you radiate. He started with small steps. Each morning, he stood in front of the mirror, looked himself in the eyes, and repeated positive affirmations. I am confident. I am worthy. I am attractive. Next, Alex decided to embrace his passions. He joined a dance class, something he always wanted to do but was too afraid to try. It wasn't just about learning to dance, it was about expressing himself, letting his true personality shine. As he opened up, people began to notice. His smile was genuine, his laughter contagious. He wasn't trying to be someone he wasn't. He was just being Alex, and that authenticity was magnetic. Alex learned the art of listening, truly listening. When someone spoke to him, he gave them his full attention. He asked questions, showed genuine interest. In a world full of distractions, this simple act made him incredibly attractive. Kindness became his superpower. He helped others without expecting anything in return. His empathy and willingness to lend a hand made people feel valued and appreciated. Confidence, he found, was not about being the loudest in the room, but about being comfortable in his own skin. He walked with a relaxed smile, his shoulders back, exuding a quiet strength. People began to gravitate towards Alex. It wasn't just his newfound confidence, but the warmth and sincerity he exuded. He wasn't trying to attract everyone. He was simply attracting the right people by being his true self. Alex's journey wasn't about changing who he was, but about uncovering the best version of himself. He realized that the key to making anyone attracted to you is to love yourself first, to be kind, to listen, and to live authentically. So, if you ever feel invisible or unappreciated, remember Alex's story. The power to attract anyone you desire lies within you. Embrace your passions, be kind, listen deeply, and above all, be yourself. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories.